challenges that I had to overcome personally is getting through all the reading material in time to write my papers. What I had to do was really take time to say, okay, I will read for an hour, take a break, and read for another hour or so. When that didn't help, there are also programs that you can use to put the lectures, the PDF lectures, and it dictates it to you. So when I was on my bike on my way to work or while I'm cooking or something, it's reading the notes to me in my ear so that I could follow up on all the notes. There are lots of tools out there that you can grab hold. So I use my recorder that does automatic dictation for me, and all the online tools that Makuma, that the Leuphana University provided helped big time.
So sometimes I felt really overwhelmed, like this is too big. I had too much information, and it's how do I put this like into a real thing? And I was feeling a little bit exhausted, but it was about every day work a little bit on that, read a little bit, and at some point it really takes form. Setting priorities, absolutely. You want to do all, and all cannot be done. So all this kind of managing that with the studies can be also overwhelming, but the parents can understand when a child is sick, then your weekend is over. So it's like some things you cannot control, and sometimes you just have to breathe, but then go back. Always go back to the studies.
Time management is one of the biggest things that we have to regulate during the whole studies, because of course you have all your exams or the papers to write and the times of the lectures, and then you have work and private life and everything. It can get too hectic and overbearing. So take your time, think smartly and logically about time management, and you'll be surprised at what you can accomplish.